Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to transfer crypto from one crypto exchange to another. I'll be using Bybit and Binance as a case study of this video. So some people have crypto, two, three, or more crypto wallets, but do not know how to transfer money. And Binance and Bybit are two of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. So the first thing you need to do is to have an account on Binance and also have an account on Bybit. Okay, so that's the first thing. Okay, yeah, so sign up on Binance and sign up an account on Bybit also, or on any crypto exchange platform that you are using. So the first thing you need to do after signing up is to add funds to your account. And this is my Binance, and on this Binance, if I want to add funds, I simply click on add funds. Yeah, as you can see on my video, they click on these are the three ways to add funds. There are more ways actually, but these are all the ways to add funds on your Binance. You can add funds through P2P trading, through on-chain deposit, through Swift card, Apple, Google Pay, and all of that. You can also receive through Binance Pay from other Binance holders. Okay, so P2P trading is about buying from people who are based in your country, or who can sell your local currency, who can sell crypto, who can buy or sell crypto in your local currency. So that is a P2P trading. On chain deposit, you can send deposit from other wallets. You can also deposit through your card, or you can deposit through people on Binance. So after you have funded your account, you now want to send it to somebody. You go to assets, you want to send it to the second exchange. Click on okay, so this is your what do you call it now, then click on send. No, you change this first. This is currencies in euro, you change it to BTC or USDT. Then click on send. When you click on send, you have four options here: send to Binance users, withdraw crypto, withdraw USD, and P2P trading. So the first one is through internal transfer to Binance users. If the person has a Binance, or if your second wallet, of course second wallet is not a Binance wallet, you can withdraw through to other exchanges. The second option that we choose, because we are sending to other exchange, we are sending to a Bybit wallet. So this is Bybit. So yeah, so click on withdraw. So we choose any of these options. If I want to send USDT to Bybit, I'll click on USDT. So here it will ask for the code, the address from Bybit. It will ask for the address, then I'll select the right network for the address. USDT has lots of network, lots of versions, and then the withdrawal amount maybe like $5,000. Okay, so let's go to Bybit now and pick okay, so this is my Bybit. Now I want to deposit for Binance into this Bybit. So what I will do will be to click on deposit here on my Bybit, sign up on Bybit and click on deposit. After doing that, you have four options also. You have the deposit crypto, you have receive from Bybit user, P2P trading, and buy with your local currency. So I'll click on deposit crypto since I'm sending in funds from Binance. Now when I do that, I will choose the token that I want to deposit with. Okay, so now it is also asking for the chains. You see different chains here: Aptos, Ethereum, ERC20, Tron, TRC20, Mountain Network, BSC, BB20, Ton, Plasma, Solana, Polygon, Arbitrum 1, AVAXE, Celo, Vera, OP Minutes, Kai, Hyperevrim, Kavim, Monad, and Con. All these are USDT chains. So I'll choose the one that I want to use. let me say BEP20, because BSA is from Binance and it comes with less fees. You see, minimum deposit amount 0.005. So I'll click on switch, and here is the wallet address. I've copied the wallet address. I'll go to Binance, I'll paste the address here. As you can see, I'll choose the network BSC. Okay, network fee is 0.01 only, you see. Then I'll click on the $5,000, 5,000 euro rather, or 5,000 USDT, which is equivalent to 4,341 euro, and I'll click on withdraw. Okay, so this is basically what you can do to transfer money from one exchange. So just sign up on the exchange, go to the wallet, and go to the wallet or the assets. There are different websites, different exchanges have different settings for it, and look for the address and transfer from one exchange to another. Hope you understand this video. If you do not understand, or you have questions, or you need more clarification, kindly drop in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.